ICAR Sea-Free awaits the celebration of glorious Matsya Samriddhi Mela on 17th March 2019. Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute of ICAR, a premier research institute in inland open water fisheries sector on the bank of river Ganga at Barakpur, has been engaged in research, extension and developmental activities in the country since 1947. To commemorate 72 glorious years of serving the nation, the institute is observing its 73rd Foundation Day by organizing majestic Matsya Samriddhi Mela, which is first of its kind in the country. Initiating with auspicious ranching event in Holy River Ganga, releasing 50,000 advanced fingerlings of Indian major carps to conserve and enrich the natural fish stock of the river, the celebration follows. Foundation Day resumes with cake cutting ceremony, releasing white pigeons for promoting peace, harmony and brotherhood. This gives us glimpses of the formal interactive session with 1,500 fishermen and women, 400 college and university students, 200 youths, number of entrepreneurs, self-help groups in the Krishna Garden of the Institute. Galaxy of experts from various ICAR institutes, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, line departments, Sundarban Development Board, State Biodiversity Board, Nehru Yuva Kendra, NABARD, Forest Department, Vice Chancellors of State Agricultural Universities and other universities grace the occasion. Institute releases number of its publications in the event and honors farmers with awards and recognitions.
Presently, inland fish productions contribute from capture fisheries is 1 million metric ton. And today we are gathered to see how this inland fish production will increase from 1 million metric tons to 2 million metric tons in a significant of a span of 5 years. Again, the productivity of the reservoirs and wetlands are so high, but we are not able to harness this productivity. In this meeting or in this gathering, we are also aiming to how to educate the fishers to harness the fish productions to optimal levels to get a green fish from an clean environment that will help the health of the common people in the country, as fish is a healthy food.
An exhibition on prime theme of Fish Festival is inaugurated in the institute premises, encompassing ornamental fish show, Hilsa Life history, aqua shops, fish feed units, number of stalls by women self-help groups, besides fish food stalls. Farmers Corner, Students Corner, Entrepreneurial Corner, Women's Corner, Youth's Corner are in place, facilitating visitors. State-of-the-art laboratories, recirculatory aquaculture system, cage units, aqua ornamental unit of the institute are open for exposure visit of the participants. 2 interactive platforms are devoted to industry interface and women in fisheries, nurturing the issues in a pragmatic way. The program has been culminated with a gala cultural event performed by Sea-Free family members. The day witnesses a vibrant collage of joy, glory and fisher empowerment. It takes the institute one step ahead towards serving the nation for achieving livelihood and nutritional security in future.